The 12:30 train on 475 should meet with 650 in a minute or two. Last I checked, it was 12:48. And 650 was right on time out of Lancaster. Also, look at that. I don't know why that fire is there, but it looks like some sort of blowtorch. And I just saw a leaf fall down. Don't get ready. Dylan, what time is it? Up, here comes! Well, there goes 650.
Originally ran on the Norfolk and Western Railroad. Wonderful coincidence. We have some guests on board the train from Roanoke, Virginia.
And there's 475.
Locomotive 475.
Dylan, do the up and down arm to make them blow the whistle for the engine. That's And there goes 425 when we met with 650. Like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.